If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to APT video update. So the last time that we talked about APT, we were trading at 13.9 or 13.8, I guess. Yeah. And from here, I did actually mention that you're looking to actually drop down to 12.46, and we did that, perfectly did that. And this still is not negative personally. And I do see this as nothing more as a continuation to move higher. So all you did is you went to the upside, you made that little bit of a continuation pattern right there, you broke out of it. It actually takes you all the way to $20, right? So the only interpretation that you have for this particular situation is that you pop to the upside, made a little bit of that continuation, move to the upside, come down, you're making the retest right over here, and you're looking to move higher. Which leaves me with the following comment. If you ever try to come down to 11.4761, that's going to be an invalidation of this particular pattern. And you can see that this, as a trader, that's going to be nearly a 8-9% stop loss, which I will never take. I will never risk that much at the moment, and that's my personal thing. But if someone has a lot of profits and they feel like, oh, it's okay to try, even if I lose $9, I'm okay with that, but I can actually try, be my guest. Now the thing is that you can actually expect this one to just pop a little bit down again or not. I cannot tell you that, but this still nonetheless looks like a very good placing zone to me right now, especially if I do consider a trend line like this. We do have an apex coming in by almost nearly this date, I'm gonna tell you. So that's gonna be January 25. Okay, today's 24, so you have time until tomorrow to make a big decision, because the prices are squeezing and compressing in this some sort of a falling wedge. You can even say that we potentially have like a falling wedge coming in, or a channel, but it doesn't really matter, because right now this is your first nearly support right there, second support here, third support right there. You can end up coming down again like this, take the stop losses, push to the upside, break out, and then continue all the way to 20 January. But unfortunately, if you ever come down like this, break down, lose this and retest, come down, lose 11.6 and then drop like this, that's going to be a very bad scenario. So that's pretty much it for this update. $20 is still your technical target unless you don't come to 11.46, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.